The Sakkarai Pongal or sweet Pongal is a traditional South Indian dessert usually prepared on festivals like Pongal or Sankranti. Pongal in Tamil means boiling over. Today I am going to show you how to make this delicious dessert recipe in easiest way. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. Take half a cup of raw rice in a mixing bowl. To this add quarter cup of moong dal. Wash this and soak this with 1 cup of water for about 15 minutes. Now in a pressure cooker, add half a teaspoon ghee. Once the ghee has melted, add in the rice, moong dal and 2 cups of water. Gently mix this once. Now put on the lid. Once the steam begins to come out, add in the weight. Now pressure cook this on medium flame for about 3 whistles. Allow the pressure to release on its own. Once the pressure has goes off, remove the weight. You can see the rice and dal is well cooked. Now slightly mash it with a spoon or ladle. Add 1.5 cups of hot water to this. Turn the stove back onto low. Add in half a cup of jaggery. Mix everything well till the jaggery dissolves. This would take about 3 to 5 minutes. Until then, stir continuously. Now it's been 5 minutes and the pongal is done. Now turn off the flame and in a tempering pan, add in 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee has melted, add in some cashew nuts, 2 cardamoms and few raisins. When the raisins are puffed up, pour this over the pongal. Mix well and turn off the flame. The ghee gives a glossy finish to the pongal. Now gently mix everything well and serve while it's hot. Hope you found this video useful. Please do try this recipe out at your homes and share in your feedbacks. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes.